Okie dokie. Hey, Red Butterfly, I'm doing great. Yo,
No, yes. Skip, dop, yes.
50 and 100, 7x top slot, yo guys. To be the man.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
I can see the game, then welcome. So guys, yeah, how you get it it also depends on how the game is going on, right? Alrighty, time for a spin, let's go. Alrighty, let's see what could be now. Spin time, bad wishes. There are 3 acts on crazy time, top slot. No, come on, maybe in the end of the session, yes. Oh, wait a second, there was something from the top slot. Woo! 3 acts, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Welcome everyone! So we got it! Crazy time, we're 3 acts on the top, let's go! First, use our top slot, right? Three acts, ladies and gentlemen, with triple all our multipliers on the wheel from the beginning. And now, decision time yours. Feel free, guys. Choose flopper, which I think will bring you the highest multiplier in this wheel. Green, blue, or yellow one. Wish you guys good luck to make great decision. Boom. Let's go. Good luck. So 150, 45, and 60. 150x for the green one. Congratulations. Alright, welcome back everyone. Ron, in the end, at least we got something. And yeah, my time is up. Michelle, the best, my colleague, guys. Bye!
Bye. Nice finish, Emily. Oh, Emily, whoa. Oh.
2x on a 10 from the top slot. You love Antia. You love me. Oh, nice! Now we're getting the Pachinko. Let's go to Pachinko. Nice! Yay! She did it again. Wonderful, wonderful, nice. Let's check out the multipliers. 2x. Up, come on. 3x, 5x, 7x, 10x, 15, 20, 100, 200. Woo! Let's go. 200 is the highest. Haha. Let's try to get it. Whew. Let's go. Come on, you're pretty close. Come on. Yes! We got the 200. That was too low, but we got the 200. Nice! See you back at the wheel. I think I lost my voice. 5,440 winners. 200 on Pachinko. Woo! You're the best. 100x on the coin flip. After that, 200x on Pachinko. Who can beat that one?
Gerald, it's so nice to see you here, by the way. Just so you know. And it's definitely nice to see Pachinko as the winning outcome. So, let's go. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, Pakistan, well, it's here. We get 5x, We got 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35. What? 4,200? Wait, it's all good. I needed the pack to shine. Good luck! Woo! Yes! We got it! Woohoo! Let's go back. That was so cool! Nice. Woo. 4,400 winners. Please, wow, you're top winner. Good. Let's continue. That was really, really, really nice. Woo. It was worth it. Hey.
To you, brother. 2,728 winners that we already got here. My compliments. Thanks so much for playing. More than welcome to have it out of pre-test selection. Don't forget about it out to play. Oh yeah, the sweet 30, right? It's already high. Time flies so fast, brother. Best wishes to you. That it will be crazy for sure when flow the 5 to the fly. Especially like from 30s to 40s, it's like no the life changers, to be honest. Coin flip 5x. Happy birthday to you. Hi, happy anniversary. That's a special gift for you, brother. Coin flip with a 5x to the fly. Let's see what kind of the gift you will get here. That's a blue, that's a red. It's still should be the profit, right? 100%. Just so that we have a 5x to the fly. Woo! 50x! 350x on the blue side, ladies and gentlemen. Got it here versus 25x on the red. Crazy. All right, guys, let's flip it. Sheesh. Nice, nice. Let's go. Woo. 250x on the blue side. Let's go. Nice. AB, 105,000 euros with Yakalik, Duke, Kizzy, Paul, 5,648 winners. We got it here, guys. That was the requirement. Yeah, come on. It's all the congratulations to the guy with the nickname High.
4,600 winners. Charm. Isn't that just charming, Charm? Well, I don't know what Charm meant by that. Let's go, guys. Who's the wrestler, Arthur? Who is the wrestler right now? Can I get an easier question than that? I don't know. Pachinko 7X. Oh, wait. No way, Jose. Redemption Chapter 2. Woo! 7X top slot. And if you're not done with that, I got 2 words for ya. Top slot. Wow. Redemption, 20 minutes later. 5, 7, 10, 20. What do we have? 25, 50, and 100. 7X top slot, the old guys. To be the man, you got to be the man. 700x maximum multiplier. Good luck to you guys. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Okay. Okay, that's something. That's something. That's something. And that something is 140x. 8,100 of you with 140x. What do you think? Good, bad? What is it? Because Chelsea's first reaction was, oh. Or was it like...
Son with the top win, congratulations. Let's continue. So how are we doing, guys? How's your, what is it today? Thursday, I think? How's your Thursday? That was a pretty good multiplier, though, with a previous lady. Let's go, guys. Last CT 60X from what I remember. Okie dokie. Hey, Red Butterfly, I'm doing great. Yo, another coin flip on a top slot, except for with a 25X this time. Just call me Tim, keep it simple. Oh, let's hit it, come on! You better stop right there, Flapper. Thank you very much, Mama. Oh, it's going down, fellas. It's actually going down. 25X, that's what we're bringing with us. Welcome to this lovely bonus game coin flip, okay? Lucky blow, let's prepare the coin, and let's hope for some big multipliers, okay? Ah! Okay, that 12X is looking juicy. Applying the multiplier, 300X, mama. Are we going crazy, or are we going crazy? I mean, like, either way, guys. Either way, you're a winner. Look at those multis. Bam! Beautiful, beautiful. Either way, congratulations. You can't complain with 125X in your pocket. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Back to the wheel, mama. Woo! That's the way we start this session. That's the way we're kicking off. Woo! Let's go! 125X, guys. As simple as that. Can't be mad, can't be bad.
169, you do it. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, what is your opinion? Just really tricky question for me. Do you believe friendship between man and lady? What is your opinion? It's like a night shift Friday topic. Do you believe friendship between lady and man? What is your opinion? Okay, yes, no, no, yes, yes. Skip, dop, yes. And time's up for the cash coin, we're gonna 10X. Yes, friends with the benefits. Which kind of benefits you're speaking about? All right, that is actually, by the way, good answer. Friends with the benefits. Wait a minute. Yeah, there we go. Woo! Who's the legend, ladies and gentlemen? Who's the legend? Who's the best one? Bobby. Bobby's the legend. Just hashtag the Bobby forever. 10X on the top slot. Woo! I told you this will be the most beautiful station in your life. It can't be completely different. It's only can be Bobby making. Wow, unbelievable. 1,000X, the highest one. Ooh, yes, yes. We deserve that right here, right now. We can make it, ladies and gentlemen. 10X on the top slot, can you imagine? Ooh. That's what happens when you start like a tricky question, like a topic about like a friendship between lady and and man, and it appears like a cash coin with the 10X on the top slot. So take your pull for minigun, make the shot and catch that 1,000X. You can make it right here, right now. Then we can open up. Woo! So beautiful. Wow. How many of us we get a winners? We get a 9 players with us with that 1,000X. Who is the best one? Who is the best one? I don't hear you, ladies and gentlemen. Tell the Bobby. Bobby, you're the best one. Bobby, the legend. Come on, hashtag Bobby Legend. Woo! There we go. Well, there we go. Now we can go to them.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.